India's Oxyneuron India Private Limited has stated that they received an order for portable inverters from Tesla Solar, rather than Tesla Incorporated. For the first time in India, Tesla has purchased large quantities of portable inverters from a Noida-based startup. At IIT Kanpur's Startup Innovation and Incubation Center, SIIC, Oxyneuron India Private Limited announced on Tuesday that it had received its first order from Tesla India for a Magic Box smart inverter. Afterwards, it was clarified that the order had been placed by Tesla's solar division in the United States. Starting at 25,000 rupees, the Magic Box smart inverter claims to provide nearly twice the battery backup of competing models. It is available in 3 kW sizes, 1 kW, 2 kW, and 3 kW from Tesla India. We have received our first shipment of the Magic Box inverter. The government's support for startups like ours encourages us to develop new and better products. Ashutosh Verma, the founder of Oxyneuron, made the comments. The inverter is expected to solve the problem of electricity backup in rural India, he said. Internet of Things, IoT, inverter is a mobile app-controlled device. A 15-year battery life and a 5-year battery replacement guarantee are both touted by this device. Vikas Prakash, from IIT Kanpur SIC, said, "We are thrilled to be a part of such innovation that is on the way to revamp and begin a new phase in rural India." In partnership with Exalta India, Oxyneuron India has developed new medical and agricultural products based on solar, oxygen, hydrogen, and nitrogen. In the face of a chip shortage and supply constraints, Tesla's arrival in India is expected to benefit Indian manufacturers. According to Nitin Gadkari, India's Union Minister for Roads and Highways, Tesla has been asked to come and manufacture electric cars in the country, and the government will provide all the assistance necessary for the facility. Gadkari made the following statement: Tesla has been informed by me that it should not sell electric vehicles made in China in India. India should produce electric vehicles and export them as well. In order for the government to lower import duties and offer other incentives to Tesla, the electric vehicle company would have to invest in a manufacturing plant in the country.